Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log out of your tagged account. So for this, first of all, open up your tagged app. As you open up your tagged app and land on the main home page, on the lower right corner, you will see an option that says Profile. Tap on it. After you tap on it, you will land on your profile page. As you see downwards, you have an option that says Settings in the very end. Tap on it. After tapping on the settings button, you have different options including privacy, notifications, and account. On the lowermost section, you will see an option that says logout. Tap on the logout option. As you tap on the logout option, you can now choose if you want tagged to be remembered on this device, or you can just tap on forget me on this device. So I'm just gonna tap on forget me on this device. And then here, as you can see, you have been logged out of your tagged account. So this is how you log out. I hope this video has been useful to you. If you like the video, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel.